Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Hey guys, welcome back again. Recently a problem showing in all Android phones. Apps keep stopping or crashing. Many users facing this problem. So I think I should make a video on this topic. So let's see how we can fix it. I'll show you 3 ways to fix this problem. Watch very carefully. Hope one will work for you. Okay, the first step is go to Play Store and search for Android System WebView. Okay, then open it. Oh, as you can see, it's already installed. Now just simply uninstall this application if you have app crashing error. Okay, after uninstall complete, just reboot your phone and hopefully this will fix your problem. This is a powerful method. If this do not work, if you are still showing this problem again, then the second method is go to your phone settings. And now here search for apps or apps manager, whatever you have. Just open it. And here find out which one showing this problem. Suppose in my mobile phone, this application showing this problem. So just open it. And here tab on storage. Okay, so first of all, clear caches. And then click on clear data. You should be careful about clear data because it will remove your sign in or some settings data. So just click on clear data when it's very important and there are no any other way. Okay, after clear data, then again restart your mobile phone. Hope this method will be work for you. But still, this method also do not work for you. Okay, then tap on these 3 dots and tap on reset app preferences. It will restore your all application once again. I hope in this way you can fix your problem. If you have another problem in your mobile phone, just comment in my video. I'll try to make another video on your topic. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.